got the camera. Don't bother me.
Yeah. Ready? Here it comes. Here comes the ball. Ooh, there it is. Give it to Grandpa.
Give it to Grandpa. March 4th, 2009. Noah's playing catch with Grandpa.
Stay ready.
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
I see a camera.
Stay ready. Ooh,
I didn't do too well that time.
Yeah. Give it to Grandpa.
Give it to Grandpa, Noah.
Yeah.
Sorry, no, I didn't do too well first.
Bring it to Grandpa.
Hey, Dimples, over here. Thank you.
It's not a picture. Here comes. Grandpa's gonna throw the ball.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. Boom.
Bring it to Grandpa. He'll play catch.
Okay, are you ready? Come on. Okay, here we go. Oh.
Hey, Noah, can you say hi? No, what's your name?
No.
How do you spell your name? It's not a picture. It's not a picture, it's a computer. How do you spell your name?
N-O-H.
N-O-A-H. Let's give the ball to Grandpa. Go give the ball to Grandpa. Throw it.
Don't throw it to me, it won't do any good, Noah. Oh, wow, what an arm that kid got. Wow. Tampa Bay Rays need you. You got more emotions there than some of the Major League pitchers.
Can you give the ball to Grandpa?
You know what? Here.
Give the ball to Grandpa, Noah. He'll play catch with you.
Noah, get the ball. Oh, get it. Ah, gotcha. Oh, you got your hand back? Huh? Ooh. Are you ready? Ready? Okay. Ready? Here you go. Very good. You got emotions a lot of the Major League pitchers would like to have.
Your headlines are next. First, I want to make sure you saw this story. Ron Kirk, President Obama's pick to be U.S. Trade Representative, a little trouble. You get 1,000 guesses on what you think he
Okay, Noah, can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Can you blow me a kiss? Alright. How do you spell your name?
N-O-H.
It's N-O-A-H. Alright, bye-bye, Noah.
Here comes Noah.
Grandpa's stroller. Nice stroller. That nice stroller. Noah, that Grandpa's stroller. Huh?
Come on.
You can play with it, that's okay. I don't mind. I don't care.
Oops.
Whoops.
Oops, there you go. He's pretty good at turning. You're funny. Good technique, though. Good technique. That's the son of a physical therapist right there. Get away from me.
Can you go get mine?
In the iron.
You ready, Coley?
What do you want? Are you?
take the girls to get some homework going.
Okay.
Good to see you again.
Yeah, good.